Hi, everybody. Today is Thursday, January 11th. I'm Ariel Nissenblatt. That's Ned Donovan, and you are listening to Daily Tips that may or may not help you with Ariel and Ned. What is the tip that may or may not help us today, Ned?
Well, today we're talking cooking in the kitchen, and specifically, we've all got those wooden spoons. You know the ones. We use them for various things all the time, right? Well, you are not supposed to put those wooden spoons in the dishwasher. It is bad for them. The soap gets absorbed into the wood fibers. It never comes out. The correct way to clean the wooden spoon/spatula is put it in a pot of boiling water for about 15 minutes. Clean that, stick it on your drying rack. It will last longer. There's no chance it will get funky. That is the tip of the day.
I am somebody who just learned about that right now. And when did you learn about that? Have you been doing this for a while?
My wife's college friend clued me into it, and I had my mind blown, and then I did a quick Google and realized she was very correct. And here we are.
When you boil them, does nasty stuff come out?
No, but when you feel them once they've dried post-boiling,
you know it's right.
You will immediately know that it is cleaner than it has ever been before.
Okay, that's very good to know. Daily tip, that one helped me. How about you, listeners?
Yeah.
How about you, Tippendales? Do let us know.
We'll see you tomorrow.